the 5th day driving our new Tesla Model 3. We just love it. This is an example of how the automatic windshield wipers work during a little bit of rain. So we just have some drizzle going right now, and the automatic sensor, when it feels like enough water is built up, it'll clean it for you. And then I noticed when the rain came down harder, it would just automatically kick up and do more cleaning. So it's pretty cool to have the automatic feature. If you want to turn on the automatic feature, you just press on the button here, and on your display you get the windshield wiper, and you just choose the auto. It's pretty slick. So really enjoying it. I think the best part when you first drive the Tesla is when you have dry roads and you have a nice clear opening, like coming up on a freeway on-ramp, and you punch it, you hit the full throttle, it's like a rocket. It just pushes you back in the seat, and it's so fun. I've driven Porsche for many years, and the most powerful one I drove was the 928, big powerful motor, and has a great top speed. But getting 0 to 60, this base model Tesla Model 3 actually does it better. So really impressed with it, having a lot of fun, and we'll be making a lot more videos. So I'm going to press it, just a quick press. I get these features, and I'm going to choose a faster speed, 3-speed or 4-speed really fast, or auto. So if you want to get to that again, just press it. And here's auto. That activates the automatic system. And then if you don't want the auto to turn on, just quick press again. Come over and choose the slowest speed, next fastest, next fastest, next fastest. So I got the system off right now because maybe you're going through a car wash. Press this button, display comes on. Just keep pressing this icon for a couple seconds, and then if I press that one, it goes to auto. Those are the different speeds. But if I want to turn it off, I just keep pressing that one, and now it's off. If I want to turn it back on, press that one to show it, and then just keep pressing that one. There we go, back on. Keep pressing it. Back off. Turn it back on. Just keep pressing that icon. You can choose your different speeds. So again, the way you can get to that from a blank screen, you can do that when you're parked would be best, even when you're driving. You either press that one, or you can press the left button here, and it'll bring you to that screen, and you can choose what kind of speed you want, or auto. I like auto a lot. I think it works really well, but some people say during snow, or maybe they want to control it more because the rain's really pouring down. Maybe the automatic system didn't kick on the way they wanted it to, so they can just press that, and then they can pick a faster speed or slower speed. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance so we can send you a lot more videos just like this one.